Hello guys, welcome to my channel A to Z Delicious. Today we are making surmai fish curry. Surmai is also called as sear fish. And before going to the curry recipe, please subscribe my channel and let's see the ingredients now. For the curry I have taken half kg of surmai. This is nicely sliced and cleaned and washed. Fresh surmai. I have taken half of the coconut, 1 small tomato, 3 green chilies, 2 twigs of fresh curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Malwani garam masala. You can take any other brand. I have taken Prakash masala. 4 tablespoons of oil we'll need for fry also and for making the curry also. 1 medium onion that is sliced and diced. 3 pieces of kokum. This is kokum for taste. Salt as per your taste and green coriander leaves for garnishing. So first we have to marinate the fish. We'll take a half of teaspoon of turmeric and half of the salt. We'll marinate for 10 minutes. Okay, we'll rub it nicely. We'll keep it for 10 minutes and the fish is kept for 10 minutes, and in between we'll make the paste for the curry. We'll take coconut and green chilies and tomato. We'll grind it. Meanwhile the fish is getting marinated. We'll grind the masala, the coconut, green chili and tomato all together. Before making the curry, we'll first fry a little fish pieces to the oil. Okay, just for a while, not more than a minute, and we'll remove afterwards. You don't have to cook it the whole, just for a minute we'll fry on a medium flame. The reason behind this is, while making the curry, the fish will not break, it will be in a whole pieces. That's why we are frying first, and we have applied only salt and turmeric to it, and this will add a nice taste also to the curry. So we have fried the fish just for few minutes, and in the same remaining oil we'll make the curry. I have added onions to it. Let the onion cook properly to light brown golden color. Onions are properly fried. I've added the curry leaves, the curry patta also. I'll add ginger garlic paste to it. The raw smell should get out of it. After that we'll add red chili powder, teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of Malwani masala. I'll add little bit of water to get a nice mix, to get the masala combined together and cook properly. Once the oil is released, we'll add the grounded paste of coconut, tomato and green chilies. We'll add the coconut and tomato chili paste to the kadai, to the pot. Mix it properly. Allow to cook for a minute. Let's check out the masala. Yeah, we'll add some water to it. Once the oil is released, we'll add a half liter of water to it to make the curry. The masala is cooked properly. We'll add half a liter of water. We can adjust according to your requirement the curry. Add some salt to it. We have added the salt to the marinated fish at first stage, so be careful about it. And here I will add 2 pieces of kokum to the curry. This will give a nice tangent taste to it. Let the curry cook for a while, then we'll add the fish to it. So our curry is getting boiled, and now we'll add the shallow fried fish to it. We'll stir gently the fish, the curry, scrape all the masala from the kadai. Get only a 1 or 2 boil and we'll turn off the gas. See, the fish is been cooked properly. The curry is looking great. Now we'll garnish with the coriander leaves. And take it to the serving bowl. See, the pieces are intact. We have shallow fried first. We'll garnish with the coriander leaves. And our fish curry, surmai fish curry, is ready to eat. You can have it chapati, bhakri or steamed rice. If you like this my recipe, please share, comment and like my channel, and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you, and do take care of yourself.